Most contractors choose between Buildertrend and Jobber without really understanding what they are trading off. And here's the truth no one tells you. The better software depends completely on the size and complexity of your business, not just features on a list. In this video, you'll get a clear, no-nonsense comparison of Buildertrend and Jobber in 2026, so you can confidently decide which one actually fits your contracting business. Because choosing wrong can cost you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Let's break it down. First, understand what each tool is built for. Buildertrend is designed for larger construction businesses. Think home builders, remodelers, and contractors managing multiple projects at the same time. It focuses on full project management, scheduling, budgeting, client communication, and job tracking, all in one system. Jobber, on the other hand, is built for small to mid-sized service businesses. Think home service contractors like cleaning services, HVAC technicians, landscapers, or plumbing teams that handle shorter, repeatable jobs rather than long construction projects. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people compare them like they are the same type of tool, but they are not. Let's start with ease of use. Jobber is much simpler. A contractor named Jake can sign up and start scheduling jobs within an hour. It is designed for speed and simplicity. You can create jobs, send invoices, and manage clients without a steep learning curve. Buildertrend is more complex. It takes time to set up properly. A contractor named Alex running multiple home builds will need to configure schedules, budgets, and client portals. But here's the trade-off. Once set up, it handles much larger and more detailed projects. Now here's the problem. Simplicity versus power. Jobber gives you speed, but not deep construction management. Buildertrend gives you depth, but requires more setup and discipline. Let's talk about project management. Buildertrend is clearly stronger here. It offers full construction scheduling, change orders, budget tracking, and progress documentation. If you are managing multi-week or multi-month projects, this level of control matters a lot. Jobber focuses more on individual jobs. It's perfect for today's work, tomorrow's work type scheduling. But it is not designed for complex build timelines with multiple phases. Now here's where most contractors make a mistake. They pick based on what feels easy today instead of what their business will need in 6 months. Let's talk communication. Buildertrend includes client portals where homeowners can view updates, approve changes, and track progress. This reduces constant calls and messages. For larger projects, this is a huge advantage. Jobber keeps communication simple with job updates, emails, and basic client notifications. It works well, but it is not designed for deep client involvement like full-scale construction projects. Now pricing is another big difference. Jobber is generally more affordable and offers tiered plans that scale with features. It is easier for small businesses to start without heavy investment. Buildertrend is more expensive and uses custom pricing. But here's the key point. You are paying for a full construction management system, not just scheduling and invoicing. But here's the catch. Expensive does not always mean better for you. If you are a solo contractor or a small service business, Buildertrend may feel overwhelming and unnecessary. But if you are running multiple construction projects at once, Jobber may feel too limited very quickly. So here's the simple way to think about it. If your work is fast, repeatable, and job-based, Jobber is usually the better fit. If your work is long-term, complex, and project-based, Buildertrend is the stronger choice. Now here's a real-world example. A contractor like John who runs a cleaning service or small HVAC business will benefit more from Jobber because speed and scheduling matter most. But a builder like Alex, who is managing home renovations across multiple sites, will get far more value from Buildertrend's deeper system. This is where it gets interesting. The wrong choice doesn't just slow you down. It can actually create more admin work than you had before. So before you decide, think about your business structure, not just features. Do you need speed and simplicity, or do you need full project control and long-term tracking? That answer alone usually tells you everything. To wrap it up, Buildertrend is built for complex construction businesses that need full control, while Jobber is built for service contractors who need fast and simple job management. Neither is universally better. The right choice depends entirely on how your business operates today and where it is going next. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, hit like so more contractors can find it. Subscribe for more honest software comparisons. And comment below what tools you want compared next, so you can make smarter business decisions without wasting time or money.